was a boom when I came in here early.
So it's way better, right? It's good. Okay.
Oh man, I feel like I want to go outside and shoot some basketball.
Okay, perfect. I'm sure I'll put you through. Okay. Good. Okay, come here.
Yeah.
So like, okay, so do you two people and like you walk way better, right?
Man, you saw me walking a while ago.
Yeah.
I was barely walking, getting up stiff and just.
So it's way better, right? So like, how about walk a couple steps, like then I'm like, so do you two people. You play basketball now. Is it way better, right? Yeah, it won't hurt. Okay, good. Yeah, today's first session, but first time.
This used to hurt. I used to it'd be so tight, I had to ease to do it. Now
it's easy. Oh, perfect. Okay, good. Okay.